Chris the Carpenter here. Man, what a difference a day makes. I learned a lot today. Z-axis. Let's go. Wow. This is going to be heavy. Okay, so this is what I put together today. Let's put this on like this. Okay, so okay, first and foremost, let's start at the beginning. These are the beefy rails that are actually slightly shorter than the medium beefy rails. So I have made the decision that the gantry is going to go this way, and this is going to be Y, and the gantry is going to be X. So that was one decision I made today. Okay, so this is the X axis. This is Z. Okay. Bearings, and then a big plate down in there. I made, this is my drilling template. Actually, it is it's a center punch template. So, and that matches the holes in the bearings, so that worked out really well. And then guys going across, then these guys, and then yet another cross member there that holds the other end of the plate. You can see the little Allen keys in there holding it. Now, number one, I am really glad I spent the money on the rails, and this is why. I mean, it's incredible. It's just so very happy there. Same thing here. It's perfect. I mean, it's incredible. However, this weighs so much, and also it's like about a mile off of that. I mean, basically, we're already, it's just wicked heavy right now, okay? And now, let's add one of those, okay? And then after that, let's add a big honking bracket. And then, let's add one of these on top of all that. That's Z. This was not in my head at all when I started this. In my head, it was like about that thick and just sleek and true. It's still, I mean, it rolls good, but man. So, where are we? As we sit now, my thoughts on 3D printing are going down. My estimations of feed rates are going down, and I can't imagine what this gantry is going to weigh. I've just spent like an hour and a half on Google Images going through, just trying to look at other people's designs and see how they did theirs and like how beefy they are, you know. And it seems like I'm kind of building mine the same way that everyone else is building theirs, but you know, then I lift this thing off the table and it's got to be 35 pounds, 40 pounds. I mean, it's a lot. So, so we're going to call this fail number one. Not a fail. I mean, it's true and it's straight and it's clean as a whistle, and you know, I'm wicked happy with it. I put these pretty little end caps on, you know, and they're all rounded and ground pretty. So next plan is we're going to see if I can eliminate this inch thick material, which I just barely need for this bearing to clear this. As you can see, that's like 3/4 of an inch, and this is an inch, so in theory I could get down to 1/4. So I'm going to see if I can get down with just a plate, and then see somehow if I can drop these just a little bit or shim this up just a wiggle, so it'll clear. I'm thinking about angle iron instead of full box. The box tube I think is maybe a little more than I need. It's just really really, really heavy. But then again, I've never done this before, so I have no idea if heavy is actually, I don't know what heavy is, but this seems, I don't know. At any rate, okay, so I guess to wrap it up, I'm kind of rambling tonight. I've done enough that I know, I think I know how to do it now. And again, super happy with the glides. And like I said, I think I'm basically going to try to take all of this and in essence just cut it in half in thickness and weight, and we'll try her again. But not bad for the first day. I'll give you a ting. Ting!